Alrighty guys, here we go, all finished up with the 2022 GMC. We added the cab lights, clearance lights, I've been getting these a lot now. I've done a couple of them already. I don't upload them all to my YouTube channel. It's just a lot of work for me to do all the videos and stuff while I'm trying to get work out. But believe me, if I've already done the Fords, Chevys, GMCs, you name it, I can take care of them for you guys with no issue. This one looks really good. Before I show you guys the lights, we also tinted the two front windows while the customer was here getting that work done. We did the ceramic 20% to match the rears. Let's go ahead and fire this puppy up. Alright, I had to make these stroke. This always happens on the phone, I don't know why. If someone can explain to me why the phone shows it strobing, I would like to know. Nice and flush, along with that one, nice and flush, along with that one. Got these locked down pretty good, guys. It takes time to get those done. Normally the way I go about these is try to drop it off for at least a good day and pick up the following day, because the process is time consuming. This customer's been here all day with us waiting to get it done. Hey, it was worth the wait. It's finally done. He came in for the cab lights. He's leaving the cab lights on and with the windows tinted. Perfect, all done in one spot. The process on doing this does take about a good 4 to 5 hours from start to finish. Okay? If you want to try to do it yourself, knock yourself out, but just make sure you do the right measurements. If not, you can't go back. If you don't want to deal with that, bring it on down to me. D's Garage, located here in the city of Corona. You can look us up at D's Garage on Google Maps, and it'll take you straight here. It is by appointment, so if you would like to get something like this done, make sure you book your appointment ahead of time. Get your parts. I'll be showing the parts shortly, or I can get the parts for you. Feel free to call me. If I don't pick up, text me. That's it, guys. Did a lot of work. Got a lot done this beginning of the week. This is the wiring harness. These are the side ones. And this is the center one. There it is. There.